How do you boost your cortisol levels naturally? Let's talk about it. Cortisol is an important hormone that is part of your stress response. While too much cortisol can cause problems, too little can result in fatigue and poor stress response. To boost your cortisol levels naturally, you must, number one, reduce your stress. Except that can be difficult. You can't really decrease the levels of stress in your life, but you can change the way you respond to the stressors. Meditation, therapy, deep breathing exercises can all help you learn to mitigate your stress response. Number two, be sure you're sleeping in the dark. To normalize your cortisol levels so you're not making too much cortisol at night and you're making enough cortisol during the day, you need to get enough sleep. Number three, make sure that your gut is healthy. If you have an imbalanced gut microbiome, your cortisol will be metabolized way too quickly and you won't have enough cortisol. You may need a functional stool analysis to determine how best to support your gut microbiome. Number four, support your hypothalamus. The right nutraceuticals can do wonders for enhancing cortisol levels. Sometimes that's all it takes. Supporting your hypothalamus nutraceutically with Genesis Gold helps to regulate the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis and helps to support adrenal production of cortisol that is appropriate to your stress response. Just 4 grams of Genesis Gold per 50 pounds of body weight is usually enough to heal your adrenal glands and your HPA axis. It will take time, at least 3 months. Number 5, adaptogens. Adaptogens are botanicals that help regulate adrenal function and support healthy HPA axis. One of the most effective adaptogens is ashwagandha. 300 milligrams of ashwagandha taken per day can help to normalize cortisol levels. If you have any questions, please join us in our Hormone Reboot training. I'll see you in the next video.